everyone, and welcome to my channel 2H Combo. Today we're gonna take a look at pigeon peas. Let's go take a look. Okay, this pigeon pea has been here for about 2 years. This time of the year it has flowers and also peas basically. See, these are all, how you say, ripe and full of peas in the pods. See that? There you go. They all fell down. Last year I harvested some, and what we did, we soak them in water and then we mix with rice, and it turned out good. Also, you can eat them raw like this. It's not bad. Not very tasty though. It tastes like peas, of course. Not that much taste. Anyway, pigeon peas pretty easy to grow. They don't need that much water, and you get plenty of them. They grow more like shrub, but really tall shrub. Look at these. These are ready for harvest. I can hear the peas inside. But this year we probably not gonna harvest because we don't have time to harvest. See that? Really tiny one. Cannot eat them. Okay, so pigeon peas, just like any other peas or beans, they are full of proteins, magnesium, and some other vitamins. So very easy to grow. They don't need that much water. The flowers are beautiful too. And this is not the only one that I have. I have several of them. Today it's pretty windy and they are wind resistant as well. Okay, so here's in the backyard. I have a bunch more, but these are not as mature as the other one I just showed you. I have about 6-7 of them here. So there's one. Okay, this one is full of peas. They're not really ready for harvest yet. These are ready. These as well. So you got plenty of them. Here's another one. And I have one more over there. One more over there. And one more over here. Actually, I trimmed this down a lot, otherwise it would be very bushy and it would have given even more peas, but it's alright. Alright, thank you for watching. Please like if you find this is useful or informative. And I see you in the next one. Bye bye.